Yes. Well, good morning. Off to a start. I'm going to head towards Bogotá from Raquira, Colombia. And I just got to get in. I got to get some maintenance work done on the bike, shocks and other things that need to be addressed. And so just going to head that way and see how things work out. Anyways, we'll get out there and have some fun. Well, this is the planned route heading towards Bogotá. All right, man. Have fun camping, eh? Cheers. Yeah, I need to get these repairs done. Just the way things are going to work out. I don't even really want to be in Bogotá. There's nothing wrong with the city, don't get me wrong. It's just a big city and congested and crowded and people, and that's all fine and dandy, but you know, the country is pretty nice. But those repairs, I want to get that shock looked at. It needs to be addressed sooner than later. Simon will stay away from the city at all costs. So he's gonna go camping, which I think is great for him because he loves camping. So he wants to go to the national park and go camping, and obviously I'm not camping anymore, so that gives him absolute freedom to do his thing. Yeah, it's very nice this morning. Temperature's mild. It's not super hot. It's a little cool, but not terribly cold or anything like that. I suppose one of the upsides of Bogotá is that I could get good vegan food. That would be really good, actually. It's so great having company. You enjoy the conversation and the laughs and everything, and then I never get to my editing fast enough, and by the time that comes I'm so tired. I might only get 1 hour of editing in between phone calls back home and you know, looking around the town and videoing and hanging out and having supper and doing everything. It just I love the company, and it's so great. One of the downsides is I get less video editing completed. I'm so far behind right now. I could probably take a week or two off and I still wouldn't get caught up. Which is a shame. I really should get caught up. Just see how it works out. Today is probably going to be a very boring video day. Just got to get my butt over there. Well, PU. It smells pea-like. Farms with lots of pea. Whew, it's a lot of agriculture, but it's not modern. You see guys with horses and buggies. And you see guys with hoes instead of mechanized augers or anything like that. Just everything is by hand. I mean, they got to be strong and healthy. I don't know about healthy, but they're strong. They got to be strong because, man, they're doing it every day. Cinquenquera. I think to avoid lots, I go left right here. I do. left guy turning in front of you will kill you every freaking time. Well, time to get back on the road to Bogotá. First, a document check brought to us by the local police. What is a transit license? Canada. Good. Canada. Bien. Gracias, señor. Well, he's looking for my transit papers. I thought he was looking for my driver's license. And then we found out I'm from Canada, and I think it got to be too much of a pain in the ass to get the papers. Because, man, there's a number of papers that they give us. I got tons of papers. I saw them setting the various checkpoints up already this morning. This was like number 3. I don't know. I guess they're just checking if everybody's got their paperwork, and if not, cha-ching. Colombia is awesome because motorcycles get to ride on the paved highways for free. I really like Colombia. Well, I lucked out here in Bogotá, in the neighborhood that I want to be in because it's close to the motorcycle shops and has vegan restaurants. But not only that, check this thing out. It comes with a full kitchenette, microwave, heating plates. I can cook if I wanted to. Too bad the vegan restaurants are so good. And a bed, I like the desk back there. And a full washroom, sort of modernized, and she says it has hot water for sure. That's what that deal is up there. Sweet! Well, I lucked out. I just got into the hotel, and the rain poured. I mean, the sky opened up and just dumped. So now, I'm gonna head to the bike shop again and see what I can get done. They're going to check out this front fork. Well, it doesn't look like there's anything else wrong. I think it's just the O-ring. Bien. Well, that's our O-ring, and we're getting a new one. We found one. So, things are looking positive. We're getting new lights, signal lights on because the other ones are broke. I also got a new mirror because I broke the other one. Looks different. But as long as it works and I don't get tickets, I'm okay with it.
These guys at Maha do a fantastic job on the vegan food. Awesome. I know I ate here before, but I don't care. It got dark out and I just want to go somewhere I know is good. So that's what I did. Fantastic food. You gotta love it.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's show. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Click the bell so you're notified when new episodes are released. Subscribe. Man, that makes it easier for you to find on your TV and your computer. Hey, share it with your friends. It's always great sharing things with your friends. Leave me a message. I love hearing from you guys. And the call to ride will continue. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.